Welcome to Learn Chivabwe. Chivabwe is a unique writing system created to represent language in a new and visual way. It is original with its own symbols and structure. Each character in Chivabwe represents a sound similar to letters in other writing systems. But these symbols are designed to be distinctive, creative, and easy to recognize. The goal of Chivabwe is simple: to make writing both meaningful and visually expressive. The system is built from a set of core symbols. These symbols can be combined to form words. Once you learn the basics, you can begin reading and writing. Chivabwe focuses on clarity, consistency, and creativity. Every symbol has a purpose, and every word follows a structure. This channel will guide you step by step, from learning individual symbols to reading full words and sentences. This is Learn Chivabwe. Let's begin.